Commissioned in the year 1979, Murtala Muhammed International Airport, MMIA, in Lagos was the busiest airport and a key international gateway for Nigeria. However, as Nigeria's most important aviation transportation hub, MMIA faces numerous challenges after 50 years of operation, including an inefficient road network, outdated terminal facade and finishes, dilapidated building structure, aging equipment and machinery, a lack of direct access between the two terminal buildings, and restrictions on the development on Terminal 2. To restore the prestige of this international gateway, we are embarking on a journey of renewed hope, undertaking a systemic renovation of MMIA to bring back its former glory and elevate its status on the global stage. First, the inefficient road network will be replaced with two independent ring roads, the outer ring for departures and the inner ring for arrivals. Second, the existing structure of Terminal 1 will be strengthened to improve its integrity. A connection building will link the two terminals, and the skywalk will connect the car park to Terminal 2, ensuring seamless passenger movement within these facilities. Meanwhile, this half-century-old Terminal 1 will undergo comprehensive modernization, featuring an enhanced eagle-inspired architectural design that symbolizes a soaring and hopeful Nigeria. The upgrades will include both interior and exterior enhancements, improved passenger facilities, and advanced mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems to enhance operations and capacity. Terminal 2 will also undergo upgrades, including refurbished platforms, enhanced canopies, expanded boarding fingers, and an enlarged apron for greater efficiency. Once completed, passengers at MMIA will enjoy a significantly enhanced travel experience. The redesigned infrastructure will provide well-organized and direct access to the terminal buildings, improving efficiency. Optimized internal circulation will ensure uninterrupted movement for arriving and departing passengers. Additionally, modernized facilities, upgraded amenities, and an aesthetically immersive environment will create a more comfortable, seamless, and enjoyable journey for all travelers. Under the Renewed Hope initiative, we're leveraging global expertise in airport engineering and cutting-edge digital systems to transform MMIA into a safer, smarter, greener, and more efficient aviation hub. Finally, the nation will be filled with hope, paving the way for a brighter future.
Guys, what do you think about Lagos embarking on the 712 billion renovation of its international airport? The federal government has approved a massive overhaul of Terminal 1 at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport as part of a broader 900 billion naira aviation upgrade plan. This includes expanding Terminal 2, widening aprons, building access roads and bridges, and installing a state-of-the-art 14-kilometer perimeter fence with intrusion detection, CCTV, and solar lighting. According to the Aviation Minister, Festus Kayemo, the airport brings in over 200 billion naira annually, meaning that the upgrade costs can be recouped in just 3 years. Plus, it's funded through the Renewed Hope Infrastructure Development Fund, not through loans.
So let me explain that we have two terminals in Lagos. That old building, if you're approaching the airport to that long stretch of road, there's one big building facing you with the Murtala Muhammed Airport boldly written. That is Terminal 1.
That's the one you are pulling down.
That's the one we are pulling down.
Not the one Buhari commissioned.
No, that one is Terminal 2 on the right. As it is today, we are using both. Why? Because even the one Buhari commissioned cannot take our passengers. So we have to now use a wing of Terminal 1 to complement In fact, we have used the 2 wings to complement the new one, the Terminal 2, when we that, because it's not only pulling down Terminal 1 to rebuild, we're expanding Terminal 2 and its aprons. What are we doing in Terminal 2 again? If you walk into Terminal 2 now, which is even the new one, we are still touching the new one, spending so much money on it. If you walk into the new terminal now, what do you notice? You are passed through there. You have to now take your bags up to departure. So when you arrive, it's not going straight to departure. And that's a design error all over the world. There's no airport you are coming in to in the whole world where you have one door, but there's only one door. What if there's a stampede? How can you have one entrance into a big international airport, but there's only one entrance? If you go to all international airports, you see more than 7 entrances. We say even the old one,
As you're being dropped off,
you see different doors, different entrances.
A, B, C, D, and
even the old one, if you remember the old one, Terminal 1, if you remember, picture it, you have different doors.
you have the Qatar,
exactly.
The BA.
God
and
bless
all of
you. You have the picture in your head. Picture this new one, only one door. How? So now, and then when you walk, like I said, when you drive in, you have to now go climb up with your bags, haul them either through the lift or escalator. And God will forgive you if it's not working. You have to then physically climb the stairs with your bags. So now, once you pass the army checkpoint now, you know there's an army checkpoint just before the airport. We are now designing a bridge. Immediately after the army checkpoint, you are going to veer off the road, and then a bridge will begin to climb that takes you straight to the 2nd floor of that new terminal. So that takes you straight to now departure. We are putting a bridge there. It takes you to departure. Do you understand me? And so you come down there.
There'll be a drop-off.
A drop-off. And
But now you usually drop off. You drop off at one car park.
At one car park.
That takes you,
and then you have to haul your bags up. So now it will just pass that bridge will just pass by the door, by that glass frame of that 2nd floor. And so you now do you now stop there and then walk in straight into departure.
So just describe to us.
That bridge goes round. That bridge goes round. It's a circular bridge. It goes round again all the way.
Design?
But it's not all thumbs up. Critics say the spend is reckless, especially when millions are struggling with poverty, inflation, and poor public services. Civil rights groups and political parties are demanding transparency and value for money checks. So what's your take? Is it a justified investment to modernize a critical airport, or does it reflect misaligned priorities in a time of economic hardship? What should the government invest in next instead? Let's get the discussion going. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.